Okay, now that we have these equations graphed, okay, it says here to use a blank line to graph the first boundary y equals -4/3 x plus 5. The thing I don't like about this is they have an equal sign right here. And if we look up over here, that's not an equal sign. Okay? And this is the line that we just graphed. Since we just graphed this line, this is going to be either dashed or solid. And because we do not have an equal sign, this should be dashed. So we're going to write dashed. I'm not liking the way the book phrased this, because this right here would be a solid line. But we are graphing this line, so it will be dashed. Okay, the appropriate shaded area contains regions. So if we're talking about this line right here, this dashed line, and everything below it, all the less part, what regions did we get? Well, we got 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay, now the next part says use a blank line to graph the second boundary y equals x minus 2. Again, we have this greater than or equal to. We do have an equal part on here, so it will be a solid line. Okay, so y equals x minus 2. Our intercept is -2, which is right here, and this is y equals x with the -2 here. This is our line, okay? The appropriate area contains, okay, so if it's going to be greater than or equal to, that means everything up here. Okay, so we have, let's see, we got area 1, area 6, 5, and 7. So 1, 5, 6, 7. Let's go ahead and type those areas in. Oops, that should be 1. Okay, use a blank line to graph the third boundary, x equals 1. Again, this, because there's no equal on this, this is the equation we're using. We need to put dashed. Use a dashed line to graph the third boundary, x is greater than 1. The appropriate shaded area contains regions. So let's take a look here. Here is our line, x is greater than 1, and it's greater, so x is going greater to this side here. So what regions do we have here? We have regions 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, the solution of the system is the set of ordered pairs in the intersection of the graphs, represented by region blank. The feasible region is, give you guys a moment to think about that. Okay, the solutions of the system that qualify for all these equations is right in here, right in this region, right here. Okay, so this is region 7. Now, is this closed off? We have a boundary here. Even though it's a dashed boundary, it's still a boundary. We have a dashed boundary here. We have a full line here and another dashed boundary here. Okay, this area is completely encircled or encompassed. There's we definitely have a solid region. If it was area 4, it would be unbounded because we can go on forever this way. But region 7 is bounded. It's bounded to this region right here. So we're going to say the feasible region is bounded. Okay, and we will go ahead and make sure you go to the next video. We will continue from there. So I'll see you in the next video.